Brianna, and today we're gonna go to Common Rules Part 3. So let's get your materials ready, guys. First of all, make sure that you bring your Common Rules mini book and that you have your pencil, pens, or colors and a novel counting in. Okay, ready for that? Let's go. Now, today we're gonna explore commas for writing letters. When you're writing a letter, start by addressing the person that you're about to speak to. Then you're going to write and express yourself with paragraphs and vivid sentences using adjectives that help you express yourself. Finally, say goodbye and add your signature or name at the bottom. So let's say that I'm going to write a letter to your vet. The first thing I would need to do would be to address the person that I'm about to speak with. And of course, then my body paragraphs. And finally, I need to say goodbye. Okay, so let's take a look at how would that look like. It says, April 5, 2020. Dear Pablito, how are you doing? I'm fine. Can you visit soon? Have you made any new friends? I have a new friend. Her name is Lola. She has a cute cat and a turtle. I hope you write back soon. Your friend, Yeseli. Let's take a look at the different parts that a letter has. On top, you have the heading, which is the date. Sometimes you may include the address that you're sending this letter to. Then you have the greeting. And over here in the greeting, you're speaking to the person you're sending the letter, right? And right after you address the person that you're about to send this letter to, you're going to need this little comma over here to separate your greeting from the body paragraph. And your body paragraph, you explain yourself, what you want to say. And then you have your closing, right? Your closing could be a simple, write to you soon, hope to see you soon. Or simply your title and then a comma, your signature or your name, so the person knows who's sending this letter. Let's take a look at this. Open your mini book and let's start by adding the words comma for opening and closing letters. And now I'm about to share the mini letter that I wrote to Santa. Let's take a look at this. Dear Santa, I have been good this year. I would love to receive a blizzard corn snake. Thank you, Miss Rivera. Now, we're going to need two commas according to the rule that we just learned. One in the opening and one at the closing of the letter. So the opening would be right here. Dear Santa, that's the person this letter goes to. My comma will need to come right here after Santa for the opening, and then right here after thank you for the closing of it. So take a look at that. Now, notice that I included those two commas and also my example from the book on page 20. Let's take a look at page 20. Chapter 4, and this is Chris talking, right? Chris is opening a letter that it's been sent to his father and mother, and it says, Dear Mrs. and Mr. Daniels, I worry that Chris may not be in the right class. We should discuss his math abilities and aptitude. Sincerely, Mrs. Hubbard, 7th grade math. Notice that the introduction or opening of this letter includes the name of the two people that this letter is going to, and that you have a comma to separate that greeting to the body paragraph. Also, at the closing, you have sincerely and a comma for the closing. For your assignment today, you're going to write a letter to another student. It could be your friend or simply someone that you appreciate. In your letter, make sure to write commas at the opening and at the closing. Now, I have a bonus assignment for you guys. Your bonus assignment is to write a letter to yourself, right? But in the future. What would you tell yourself after this quarantine is over? Write that letter carefully. Make sure that you use correct punctuation marks and complete sentences. Send it to me via Class Dojo, Teams, or text message. And I hope to see you tomorrow again for another video. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Bye.